Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Today we will see the same lesson reading which we have done, that is Raju's Auto Rickshaw. This is from the book Modern Oxford English ICSE grade 1. This is lesson number 3, Raju's Auto Rickshaw. Today we will see the exercises related to the Raju's Auto Rickshaw after doing a recall on the lesson reading. So just see here Raju's Auto Rickshaw. So what is about the lesson? See, this is an auto who is driving? Raju is driving. Who is this? The passenger name is Mr. Bolu, who is a tall man who is very heavy. Hence the auto is going very slowly. Then what happened? Because of this, Mr. Bolu, the one who is sitting behind the driver, is not happy. So that's why he says, faster, faster, he shouts. So what happened? Because of this, Raju is trying to go faster and the auto is making a noise. Takatak, takatak. See the noise he is making. You can see here. Takatak, takatak, takatakatak, takataka, tika tika tik. Now suddenly the auto is going very fast. Then what happened here? You can see here dog is there. Auto is coming very fast. Dog is sleeping. At the time of sleeping, he hears a sound of an auto and the dog suddenly is sleeping at the side of a road. He hears the sound that the auto is coming. The auto is coming fast. Dog opens one eye. As soon as he opens one eye, he sees there is a cat here. Now what happened? The dog is trying to catch the cat, right? The dog is trying to catch the cat. So that's why the dog stands up. He tries to run across. See, you can see here. He tries to, what happened? He tries to run across and he tries to run across the road. And all of a sudden, when the driver is coming, he is saying, "Whoa, ho, ho, ho," shouts Raju, the driver, and the auto is trying to turn. So auto is turning, auto is stopping, and the passenger. What happened to the passenger? He is flying in here. He is flying high in the air. He is here now. He is high on top of heap of sacks. That's why Mr. Bolu, the passenger, is not happy. You can see here the image. That's why he is not happy, and seeing this, Raju is laughing. That was the lesson is. Let's do a recall first. Raju is driving his auto rickshaw. Mr. Bolu is sitting in the auto rickshaw. The auto rickshaw is going slowly. Tika tika, squeak, rattle, trrr, vroom 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 is the sound. The auto is very old. That's why the sound is. Raju is tired. Mr. Bolu is a tall man. He is very heavy. So that's why the auto is going slowly. Mr. Bolu is not happy. Faster, faster, he shouts. Raju is going faster. The auto is making a noise. Taka 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 tak, taka taka tika tika tik. Now the auto is going very fast. Now see here. Now what happened? A dog is sleeping at the side of the road. So the dog hears the auto coming and the auto is coming fast. The dog opens one eye. The dog sees a cat on the wall. Seeing this, what happened? The dog stands up. The dog runs across the road. Whoa, 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 shouts Raju, the driver. The auto is turning. The auto is stopping. So what happened? Hey, hey, shouts Mr. Bolu. Mr. Bolu is not stopping there. He is flying high in the air. Then what happened? Hey, 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 shouts Mr. Bolu. And see, where is Mr. Bolu? Mr. Bolu is here. You can see. Now he is on the side of the road. He is high on the top of a heap of sacks. So hence Mr. Bolu is not happy. And seeing this, Mr. Raju, that is Raju is laughing. This lesson by Nicholas Hosberg. Now we will see the exercises. See here, this is the comprehension. So now what are they asking here? Who is driving the auto? Who is driving the auto? Raju. Raju is driving the auto. Can see the answer. Raju is driving the auto. Then, where is Mr. Bolu? Where is Mr. Bolu? Mr. Bolu is sitting behind Raju, right? Mr. Bolu is sitting behind Raju. is sitting on the back of Raju, right? So behind Raju, Mr. Bolu is sitting behind Raju. The next question is, what is the dog doing? Question is, what is the dog doing? You can see here, what is the dog doing? So what was the dog doing? The dog is sleeping at the side of the road. What is the dog doing? See the answer here, a dog is sleeping at the side of the road. The next question, why does the dog cross the road? Why does he cross the road? Because there was a cat, right? So the dog, see, the dog crossed, ed will come, crossed, crossed the road. Why he crossed? To whom to catch? A cat, right? The dog crossed the road to catch a cat. To catch, catch, catch a cat. See here, why does the dog cross the road? Why does the dog cross the road? The dog crossed, ed will come, crossed, cross the road to catch the cat. To catch, catch the cat, cat. The next question, who makes the auto stop? Who makes the auto stop? Dog, because dog was all of a sudden he was trying to cross the road, right? Because of that the auto is trying to make a stop. He is trying to make a break here, right? So the dog is trying to make the auto stop. Who makes the auto stop? The dog made the auto stop. Makes will become made. The dog made the auto stop. The dog, the dog, dog made, made the the auto stop. Here you can see the spellings. What happens to Mr. Bolu? What happens to Mr. Bolu? What happened to Mr. Bolu? See, he was flying, right? See, Mr. Bolu, in the question itself is there. Mr. Bolu is flying high in the air. See, Mr. Bolu is flying high in the air. Mr. Bolu is flying high in the air. The next question, we need to use the words from the story to fill in the blanks. So see, Raju is dash his auto. Raju is driving his auto. Driving. The same will come. Mr. Bolu is dash behind him. Mr. Bolu is sitting behind him. Behind word is not there in the lesson. Sitting word is there. Mr. Bolu is sitting behind him. Behind him means behind Raju. Behind means back. The auto is dash slowly. The auto is dash slowly. The auto is going slowly. The auto is going slowly. Now, the auto is dash a noise. The auto is dash a noise. The auto is making a noise. Making a noise. Next question is, the dog is dash at the side of the road. See, the dog is dash at the side of the road. The dog is sleeping at the side of the road. Sleeping is the answer. The dog is, here the question is, the dog is dash at the side of the road. Answer will be sleeping. So a dog is sleeping at the side of the road. Sleeping. Mr. Bolu is dash high in the air. Mr. Bolu is flying high in the air. Flying high in the air. The next comes here, that is, we need to do here, make your own sentence. Make the sentences of your own with these words. With the 4 words given here, we can make our own sentence. For an example, see, driving, stopping, walking, flying, driving. If suppose driving is there, so some Motu is driving a car. Motu is driving a car, or any sentence you can take using the word driving. We need to include driving word. So for an example, Raju is driving his auto rickshaw. Motu is driving a car. Like that, stopping. Stopping. The people are stopping. The people are stopping the bus. The people are stopping the bus. Walking. Walking means the man is walking at the side of the road. The man is walking at the side of the road. Walking. Then flying. The bird is flying. The bird is flying high in the sky. The bird is flying high in the sky. Again, I will show you driving. Driving, you can take anything. Raju is driving his auto. Driving. Motu is driving a car. Stopping. The people are stopping the bus. The people are stopping the bus. Walking. The man is walking at the side of the road. Flying. The bird is flying high in the sky. The bird is flying high in the sky. The next comes is spelling here. You can see you need to add ing. Ing word you need to add. Run, running. Sit, sitting. Hit, hitting. Fit, fitting. Tap, tapping. Hut, hutting. Sip, sipping. Put, putting. Pat, patting. Dip, dipping. Hop, hopping. Rub, rubbing. Like that, ing words are known as action words. These are known as action words. Hitting, fitting, tapping, hutting, sipping, putting, patting, dipping, hopping, rubbing, hitting, hooting, fitting, patting, patting. Then tapping, dipping, cutting, hopping, sipping, rubbing. Whatever the third letter, that is the last letter is there, we need to take the last letter here plus ing. If here T is there, we need to take T ing. If here again here P is there, we need to take P ing. T is there, again T ing. P is there, P ing. Then here B is there. Then we need to take the last letter B here. B ing. Bing, rubbing. Then comes, you can see here, this is also a learning about language. You can see the learning about language which we will be seeing in our next video.